Hello, grade 3, and welcome to this week's inquiry lesson, which is on rocks and minerals. We are going to focus on the conceptual questions. How do the properties of rocks and minerals help scientists classify them, scientists being you? How are rocks and minerals alike, and how are rocks and minerals different? Our learning goal is to identify and describe 3 types of rocks. When we created our mind map, you identified that you wanted to learn more about rocks and minerals, so we are off to discover that. It's really tiny to see, but we are involved in the inquire, in the inquiry cycle, and we are right now investigating. We're going to find out more. So when you told me you wanted to learn more about different types of rocks, and well, when you told all your teachers, we thought we need to discover that. And a couple words kept coming up about specific types of rocks, and we thought we better figure out what those are and why they're named what they are and what exactly that means. So geologists, you are going to go today, again, learning goal, identify and describe 3 types of rocks. You will know you're successful when you can identify and describe them. And by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to do that. So here's your resources. You're going to click on this tab here, and it's going to take you to another Padlet. And when you get there, it'll look just like this. There's 2 videos for you to watch. They're short videos. As always, click on them. They're yours. Watch them once, watch them twice, pause them. I encourage you to take jot notes in your inquiry journal. They'll always be there for you. Then there are some charts for you. Use them as a reference. Again, these are here for you. It's like your own personal charts. So, reminding you though, when you click on it, it will go big. Okay? Yes, you could download them if you wanted to, but you don't need to, because you can pop them up, you can make them big. Some of them have more details than others, and this exists here for as long as you want it to. All right, so when you're done that, I need you to come back and tell me, what are the 3 types of rocks? Type it in. That's the explore. Then we get to explain. Now, as an inquirer and a geologist, you need to complete your jot notes, where you really dig deep and identify and describe those 3 types of rocks. You'll complete your jot notes and turn them in, always keeping your learner expectations in mind. Set a goal for yourself today as a learner. What do you plan to achieve? Where do you need to grow? Jot notes will look like this. Again, our conceptual questions. Again, our goal is to identify and describe 3 types of rocks. Now, I need 5 or more facts about each rock. So we, by now, know the different types. I've included some pictures and guides here. So the facts will go in here, and you could type your facts. What could you tell me about the different types of rocks. Think of how we describe rocks. Color, hard, soft, shiny. What are the common features? Where are they found? What did you learn from the 2 videos and 3 charts? There's lots of references there for you. If you're running out of ideas, go back, watch again. Then, so let's take a really careful look. 5 or more facts, but the minimum is 5. So not 1 or 2, 5 or more. Write them in the chart. Then complete the I used to think, now I know. That's down here. So I used to think. So I might say, I used to think the color of a rock did not matter. Now I know we can classify rocks by this feature. This is important because we'll be using that for our next step. So 2 tasks here. 5 facts in each column. Complete the I used to think and now I know. Because so you've done your jot notes. Tell me what you were most surprised to learn. Your last step is your apply and share. You're going to share your I used to think and now I know on Flipgrid. There's going to be a Flipgrid for you. And then you'll go back later. You can reply to some classmates with, I notice, I appreciate how you said, that's an interesting fact, or tell me more about. Friends, it is okay to reply to each other's Flipgrid. We've been noticing not a lot of people are replying. So be prepared. Have your I used to think and now I know ready to go. All right, quick recap. Learning goal, identify and describe 3 types of rocks. Tell me what they are. Use your resources to investigate, complete your jot notes, 5 facts in each column as a minimum. Think about your grade 3 learner expectations. What goal do you have for yourself as a learner today? When it's done, making sure you've completed your I used to think and now I know. I'll get mine out of there because you don't want my ideas. You want your good ideas in there. I know you'll come up with more challenging ideas than mine. And lastly, share your thoughts on Flipgrid. Grade 3s, when you're all done, make sure you hit the turn in button. All right, off you go to learn about the rocks of the world. Have fun and enjoy.